Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to help you become a successful freelancer on Upwork. In today's video, we are going to share with you how you can kickstart your freelancing career and start earning a steady income on Upwork. Whether you are a seasoned freelancer looking to take your business to the next level or a newbie just starting out, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Section 1. Setting up your Upwork profile. The first step to becoming a successful Upwork freelancer is to create a compelling profile that showcases your skills and experience. Make sure to use a professional profile picture and write a well-crafted bio that highlights your expertise and what sets you apart from other freelancers. Don't forget to add relevant portfolio items and client testimonials to boost your credibility. Remember, your profile is your online resume, so make sure it reflects your best work. Section 2. Niche down your skills. One common mistake that many freelancers make on Upwork is trying to be a jack of all trades. Instead, focus on a specific niche that you excel in and target clients who are looking for those specific skills. By niching down, you'll be able to position yourself as an expert in your field and attract higher-paying clients who are willing to pay a premium for your services. Remember, quality over quantity is key when it comes to freelancing on Upwork. Section 3. Craft a winning proposal. When it comes to submitting proposals on Upwork, quality is always better than quantity. Take the time to tailor each proposal to the client's needs and show them that you understand their project requirements. Highlight your relevant experience and how you can add value to their project. Don't be afraid to showcase your personality and let your passion for your work shine through. Remember, the goal is to stand out from the crowd and make a memorable impression on potential clients. Section 4. Build relationships with clients. Building strong relationships with your clients is crucial for long-term success on Upwork. Communication is key, so make sure to keep your clients updated on the progress of their projects and address any concerns or questions they may have in a timely manner. Go above and beyond to exceed their expectations and deliver high-quality work that wows them. Remember, happy clients are more likely to hire you again in the future and recommend you to others. Section 5. Invest in your skills. As a freelancer, it's important to continuously invest in your skills and stay up to date with industry trends. Take online courses, attend workshops, and network with other freelancers to expand your knowledge and grow your skill set. The more skills you have to offer, the more in demand you'll be as a freelancer on Upwork. Remember, learning is a lifelong process, so make sure to prioritize your professional development to stay ahead of the competition. Becoming a successful freelancer on Upwork is all about showcasing your expertise, building strong relationships with clients, and continuously investing in your skills. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you'll be on your way to building a thriving freelance business on Upwork. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and watch your freelance career soar to new heights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.